Modern and transitional homes are defined by clean lines, open spaces, and a seamless connection between indoors and outdoors. Every architectural element, from flooring to lighting to windows, plays a role in achieving that refined, cohesive look. For homeowners in Austin, slider windows are an increasingly popular choice for properties with contemporary or transitional designs. Their sleek appearance, smooth operation, and expansive glass areas make them a natural fit for today's evolving home styles. Clean lines that complement modern architecture. Modern homes emphasize simplicity and minimalism. Slider windows feature a horizontal design with large glass panels and minimal framing. In Austin residences with modern aesthetics, these windows reinforce clean lines and uncluttered surfaces. The streamlined appearance supports a polished exterior and interior look without visual bulk. A natural match for transitional designs. Transitional homes blend traditional warmth with contemporary simplicity. In Austin neighborhoods where transitional designs are popular, slider windows strike the right balance. They offer a modern profile while still maintaining subtle architectural softness. This versatility allows them to complement both brick exteriors and more contemporary finishes. Expansive glass for brighter interiors. Natural light is a key feature of modern and transitional spaces. Slider windows in Austin homes often include wide glass panels that maximize daylight. This brightens living areas and enhances the open concept layouts that are common in contemporary design. The increased light creates an airy, inviting atmosphere. Smooth, space-saving operation. Unlike windows that open inward or outward, slider windows glide horizontally along a track. In Austin homes with thoughtfully designed interiors, this space-saving operation allows furniture to be placed closer to windows without obstruction. The smooth sliding mechanism adds convenience without interrupting the flow of the room. Enhancing indoor-outdoor connection. Modern design often emphasizes blending indoor and outdoor spaces. Slider windows provide wide viewing areas that frame patios, gardens, or backyard landscapes in Austin homes. The expansive glass panels make outdoor spaces feel like a natural extension of the interior. Supporting energy efficiency. Style should not come at the expense of comfort. Modern slider windows are built with energy-efficient glass and tight seals that help regulate indoor temperatures. Austin homeowners benefit from improved comfort while maintaining the sleek appearance they desire. Ideal for wide wall openings. Many modern and transitional homes feature broad walls designed to accommodate larger window openings. Slider windows are well suited for these layouts in Austin residences. Their horizontal design fills wide spaces beautifully, maintaining symmetry and proportion across the facade. Easy maintenance for busy lifestyles. Contemporary homeowners often prioritize low-maintenance features. Slider windows in Austin homes are designed for durability and ease of care. Their simple construction allows for straightforward cleaning and long-term reliability. Boosting curb appeal. Windows significantly influence a home's exterior presence. In Austin neighborhoods, homes with modern slider windows stand out for their refined, contemporary appearance. The clean horizontal lines add architectural interest while maintaining simplicity. A smart fit for today's homes. Choosing the right windows is essential for achieving a cohesive design. For homeowners in Austin with modern or transitional properties, slider windows provide the perfect combination of style, function, and efficiency. Their expansive glass, streamlined profile, and smooth operation enhance both interior comfort and exterior appeal. By incorporating slider windows into your home's design, you create a space that feels bright, balanced, and effortlessly modern, reflecting the clean sophistication today's homeowners value.